Behind every successful person lies a story of perseverance, strategy, and a fair share of failures. For Warren Buffett, the world-renowned billionaire investor, this story is one of a young boy with a passion for numbers who would one day become one of the richest people on the planet. So how did he do it? How did Warren Buffett become the Oracle of Omaha and build a fortune of over $100 billion? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into Warren Buffett's life, from his early years as a paperboy to his first stock purchases, and ultimately his legendary status as an investor. We'll explore the key principles that shaped Buffett's investment philosophy, including his famous value investing approach, which has consistently outperformed the market for over 6 decades. We'll also examine the mistakes Buffett made along the way and the lessons he learned from them, as well as the impact of his personal values and life experiences on his approach to investing. Warren Buffett is one of the richest men in the world, but how did he make his fortune? In this video, we'll look at Warren Buffett's early life, his investment strategies, and some of the companies he invested in. By the end, you'll have a better understanding of how this legendary investor made his billions. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and be notified of future updates. Now, let's get started. Who is Warren Buffett and what is his story? Warren Buffett is one of the most successful businessmen to ever live, with a net worth of around $70.7 billion. His career began as a stockbroker on Wall Street in 1954, and since then, he has been on an amazing journey to success. His investments in big-name stocks such as Coca-Cola, IBM, and American Express made him an iconic figure in the world of business and finance. But what makes Warren Buffett special is his dedication to philanthropy and climate change activism. He gives away over 85% of his total wealth for charity, donating funds towards educational initiatives and healthcare reforms. In addition, Warren's investments in renewable energy projects demonstrate his commitment to sustainability. Warren Buffett proves that you don't need a fancy degree or title to make your mark on the world. All you need is passion and work ethic to get ahead. How did he make his fortune in the stock market? John built his fortune in the stock market by combining diligent research with a keen understanding of the market. His long hours spent poring over financial documents and analyzing patterns taught him when to buy, when to sell, and when to simply remain patient. His proficiency paid off, allowing him to build wealth in a remarkably short amount of time. His quick success earned him admiration among his colleagues, as those who followed his lead often reaped the rewards of their investment. John's skill and diligence in the stock market enabled him to reach extraordinary financial success. What are some of his investing strategies that others can learn from? Warren Buffett has been widely known as one of the most successful investors in the world. He has a unique approach to investing that incorporates both technical and fundamental strategies, but it all centers around doing extensive research, making calculated risks, and having patience. Buffett does not chase after short-term investments, but instead looks for long-term opportunities that have the potential to generate consistent returns. Although investing can be risky, Buffett's strategies teach us that when we are prepared with the right information and have confidence in our decisions, we are more likely to make wise investments. With his knowledge and experience, he is someone whose investing strategies should be studied and learned from to become successful long-term investors. What companies has he invested in and why were they successful investments? Tyler Goldman, the renowned entrepreneur and investor, has invested in several successful companies over the years. Goldman's interest often lies in technology-driven services and products that have a proven track record of success. His recent investments include software development companies, real estate firms, and biotech businesses. By honing in on these areas, Tyler Goldman has been able to make smart investments that are lucrative for both his business as well as his venture partners. He is constantly analyzing market trends and adapting accordingly. This long-term approach to investing has provided him with a successful portfolio of investments that will continue to pay dividends into the future. What advice does he have for people who want to get involved in investing themselves? If you are looking to get involved in investing, the most important advice anyone can provide is to do your research. Make sure you understand the ins and outs of different types of investments, like stocks, mutual funds, and other derivatives. Read up on financial concepts so that you are well informed before making any moves. It's also a good idea to talk to someone who knows their way around the stock market. An expert will be able to give you helpful investing tips. Once you have all the necessary knowledge under your belt, then it's time to start taking risks. Investing is about weighing your options and understanding that there is always risk involved. Start small and eventually work up your portfolio as you gain more experience and confidence in financial investment decisions. Overall, Warren Buffett has become a household name for his savvy investing strategies and philanthropic endeavors. His journey to success is both inspirational and instructive for those looking to achieve financial stability through the stock market. His strength and resilience have won him admiration from all over the world, indicating that anyone can create a legacy if they are willing to put in the hard work. Ultimately, he will be remembered for his risky yet profitable investments in companies like Coca-Cola, Geico, and Wells Fargo. While some of these investments certainly paid off, there were also significant risks associated with them. However, if one respects the rules of investing while being mindful of potential losses and rewards alike, it is possible to make sound investments like those made by Warren Buffett. Buffett's advice when it comes to investing should never be taken lightly. He's had plenty of success, showing that with the right knowledge and patience, you can create your own set of financial goals with Buffett as an example of what is possible if you take calculated risks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, the subscription button, and the notification bell. To get notified when new videos are uploaded from this channel, please share your thoughts about how Warren Buffett made his fortune in the comment section below. Thank you.